Hi guys, so we're here now at Swing. So this is a 10-minute motorcycle ride. So this is our ride for 2 days now. Old Reliable. And I'm here with my wife, my girlfriend, my best friend, Ming. Yeah. So she's been a wonderful companion for the couple of days now. Actually, first trip namin out of the country. Nakapag-trip na kami ng within the country. Okay naman so far, kaya pumayag na rin ako. Sabi ko, tara, let's go.
Oh wow, siya pa ang pumayag.
Ayan,
So kapayo.
so here we go to the Swing. So meron silang mga offers dito, picture taking. They also have daw mga electric cart na small, pang go-kart na maliliit. And the Swing, actually it's not a swing, it's a slide.
Yeah, it's a slide.
It's
but
a
they
swing.
call it a swing.
But they
here.
call it Swing here. Siguro maling English nila. Nagamit sa Google Translate. So ayun lang naman. So ito yung entrance. Go inside here. Ayan. So ito yung lady nagbabayad. So siya ay nagbebenta ng tickets. So here is the tickets are only 120k for just the, if you want just the slide. So they'll, after 10 minutes we'll be next. So we're just waiting for the guide.
The staff.
The staff
He's
will have.
having his lunch.
Yeah, so right now we're gonna sit down and get back to you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ciao.